Namaste. Welcome to Monday Bytes from CHITRACars. Like the channel, share it with your friends and subscribe the channel and write your comments in the comment box, and thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. Today we're talking about in 2023, 23 cars will be launched, new cars including facelift. Today we're talking about below 10 lakhs. There are 4 cars which will be launched. The first one is Hyundai. Hyundai as the smallest car is Venue, the SUV. But the rival Tata Punch is doing very good numbers. So why will Hyundai not? So Hyundai is launching a smaller car than Venue, below 10 lakhs, which will be 1.2 litre, 5-speed, AMT and AMT. Then second is Baleno. Baleno is upgrading to a crossover with an SUV look, with all the luxury features what you can expect, with sunroof, etc. The third one is Toyota. Why Toyota is looking at an SUV smaller in below 10 lakhs. This will be very apt for Indian taste, with the bolder look and macho feel. Will have the best 1.2 litre AMT and manual transmission. The fourth one which is going to be launched, which is very innovative, from Citroen, below 10 lakhs you will get EV. We only have to wait and see what will be the range. With our sources, we know it will start with 250 kilometers to 300. These are the 4 cars which will be launched in 2023. So wait for the launches and happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think CHITRACars. Thank you.